right, let us roll on this channel at this times, and it's going to be another interesting topic that has to do how to transition into career in IT without technical background. Many people have been looking on how do I need to know how to do programming or hard coding or engaging, or I don't understand programming language, or I don't know how to code or anything like that. If that is what is bothering you, that is holding you back from transitioning into IT, that is going to land you six-figure jobs at the end of the day. Then this channel and this particular topic, my discussion on this topic is really going to help you, and it's going to give you some tip that if you going to if you can work with, will definitely help you to transition into IT without having a previous experience or knowledge in IT, definitely. And this is going to really help you to move from zero to six figure at the end of the day in terms of learning, if we can really take to all these salient tips. And why IT? That's the big question. That's where I'm going to start from. The IT industry, we all know that is booming, and it has a lot of countless opportunity for career growth and high earning potentials. We're hearing of people earning six figures, seven figures, people into data engineering, data analysis, software engineering, many IT professionals making good money, or some people in the Salesforce ecosystem, some in the Oracle, HubSpot, and so many career paths in the IT. We know that the IT is already here. It's the future, it's the present, and it's all what we need to know. And it has cut across all every phases of life. Now we are talking about artificial intelligence, augmented reality. So this is really unfolding before us, and you must not be left behind. Why can't you join uh, the training and be part of persons, are part of professional that is going to earn and enjoy a very prosperous career in IT. So IT is booming. That's one of the great things for you to know. Then, if you don't have technical backgrounds, that definitely no problem. You don't need a degree in computer science or years of coding experience to break into IT. I can say that over and over. And many professionals that I know, I myself, I didn't have a career, I didn't have a background in IT. I had my first degree in accounting, but I transitioned into IT. And today, I'm a Salesforce professional, not just a Salesforce professional, as a consultant and administrator. I'm also a career coach. I train people on how to become successful as an IT professional, most especially in Salesforce ecosystem. So many professionals have successful transitions from non-technical background, just like you, just like me. And so your own will not be different. So this presentation will guide you through 7 actionable steps that will help you to transition to six-figure IT career. Now, the first thing you need to do is to identify and leverage your transferable skills. This is very important. You really need to know the background you're having. Maybe it's in the ed sector, maybe it's in the e-commerce, marketing, or whatever forms background you have. Definitely, IT career has what you can leverage on. So don't let go of your previous skills. You might be in accounting, you might have worked as a banker, as a marketer. You always have a aspect in IT that you can leverage on. It's for you to observe yourself and see that area that resonate with you and that you can really build on. That will really help you to land job within a very short period. You might have managed a project before. That means you can build your resume to be a project manager and so many areas like that. But One key thing for you to know is that you need to leverage on your previous skills, no matter technical or not technical, the experience may be at the end of the day. So understand your transferable skills. An example of transferable skills might be communication. So if you have a good communication, is a essential role like IT support, business analysis. If you really want to be successful and excel as a business analyst or business as a career for you in IT, you must have a good communication skill because you're going to be engaging with stakeholders. You're going to be talking a lot with different people, with developers. You'll be holding meetings, coordinating meetings, those in the Scrum Masters as well is really going to help you. So you must have a very good communication. Then, if you really have a very good problem-solving skills, critical roles such as IT support specialists and system analysts, that will really be a good point for you to leverage on. The project manager management, useful for managing IT projects, timelines, and resources, definitely Scrum Masters and those areas whereby if you have a previous knowledge, if you really manage a project before, it's what you can leverage on to actually transit into IT profession. So the action point at this point is for you to list your current skills, explore how they align with IT rules. That's very important. The previous skill that you have, you need to list them out and you align them with IT skills. Then another very powerful selling point, research and target entry-level IT roles is very important. That you need to target entry-level roles that kind of give you a kind of experience and also try to volunteer in area that you have been doing upskilling, handle projects, entry roles are a great way to get your foot in the door, gain experience, and start your IT career. So that fact cannot be downplayed. You don't need to just don't jump the gun. Just try to start from the very beginning. Look for entry roles, and from that entry roles, you continue to up skills, personal development, and everything. Before you know it, you transition to the senior level role. Now, key entry level roles to consider IT support specialists that will help you. Those are the people help with troubleshooting and maintaining system. These are the area that I believe you can start from. Business analysts, bridge the gap between business need and IT solutions. So you're going to be the one bridging the gap between the stakeholders, between the stakeholder will tell you their business need, what they want to achieve. Then you also engage with developers as well to really see how they can provide solution, making use of their technical skills to solve that particular business problem, and at the end of the day, to increase productivity. Then technical project manager, you manage IT project without acquiring deep technical expertise. Definitely, you don't really need to have a very deep technical expertise like Scrum Masters and all those project manager or management of the thing. Just about you understanding the framework, you understanding the platform that you are managing the project on, and definitely you'll be able to impact. Then action point, research job descriptions, requirement for these roles to understand what employees seek and what they want at the end of the day. So, and apart from that, you need to acquire relevant certification. Why certification matter? Certification can validate your skills. It will definitely help your knowledge, making you more competitive in the job market. That's another salient point. There, top certification for non-technical background. You have CompTIA A plus entry certification covering the IT fundamental. You have certified Scrum Master, CRM, focus on the project management Scrum methodology. And this is the area I have my background, Salesforce administrator. This is great for roles in customer relationship management, whereby you'll be using declarative language, not coding, to actually configure the Salesforce platform, the Salesforce software to connect customers to generate sales. For your company, you'll be able to manage end users that will be logging with their users name and password to the Salesforce platform to carry out their roles. That means you administer the platform for the end user. You don't need a IT background or to know how to code before you can actually excel and succeed as a Salesforce administrator. Action points here: choose and pursue a certification that align with your target role. The target role that built on your previous experience. definitely will help you at the end of the day. So build a strong network in the IT community. That's another salient point. Here, you need to build a strong network in the IT community. You need to network to others. You need to meet people. You have mentors. Important networking. The importance of networking can never be overemphasized in any career, and most especially for you that are just coming in for the first time. So networking can open doors to job opportunity, mentorships, and consider knowledge. So for you to do that, you need to go for attend conference, you need to go for seminars, you need to attend different activities. So attend IT makeups and conferences will connect you with professionals, will make you to meet people, new peoples, and the professionals in the IT communities or in the IT ecosystem. Join online community as well. You participate like Reddit, LinkedIn groups, and specialized IT community. Then you also have to seek membership. So find a mentor who can guide you through your transitions is very important. Action point, attend first IT networking event and join an online IT community. Definitely you need to join an online IT community as well to help you solve. And also gain hands-on experience through project. Definitely, you need to work on projects. You need to attend different projects, and also if you have a volunteering where you can volunteer, apart from working on a project, is very very good. That is going to help you as well. This is going to demonstrate. This will help you to demonstrate your capacity to potential employers. Employer will be able to see you. They will be able to cite you, and it will help you to network as well. Ways to gain experience, volunteer or intern. So offer your services to non-profit or small businesses or through internships to gain real world experience. Very important. If you are having your degree in IT or non-IT background, and if you after gaining some certifications and all the rest, try to see how you can volunteer. And if you're in IT, you need to do connect and network yourself to land an internships role whereby you'll be able to learn and have experience. If you are staying in school as a graduate student or a graduate student in your final year, this will really go resonate well with you to engage in internships and personal projects. Create and manage your IT projects, such as building a website, setting up a home network, building a project, building custom object applications, and several things like that. You can really demonstrate to employers, managing a small database, and so many form of project like that would definitely help you. And then apart from that, freelance work, take on a freelance IT project to build your portfolio. It's very important that you can, take up a freelance work. This will really help you to build your portfolio. Action point, start a personal IT project. Look for volunteer opportunity in IT. Now, another thing that is very important, when you start in IT, you must not look back again. You need to continue to build yourself. You need to continue to move forward. You need to engage in a continuous personal development, learning, and all the rest. So the event, this continuous learning, that is another selling point out of the seven. This should be like number 6 or 7 now, that evolve IT landscapes. So in the event evolving in landscapes is it's moving fast. So the IT industry is dynamic. It's not static. It's moving and it's changing every day. So you need to be up to date. You need to be up to date with latest updates or latest changes or latest versions of everything that is already functional on your platform or in the ecosystem you have in your IT. So it's very crucial to stay current with new technology trends. Things are changing fast so that you won't go obsolete. Learning resources, offline platform like Coursera, Udemy, YouTube, LinkedIn offer various IT topics. Try to learn from all those platforms. Tech blogs, podcasts as well, articles, webinars. These are the platforms whereby you can learn so many things, because when you attend webinars or workshops, it's definitely going to help you open your mind and eyes to different things and opportunity this level. So the action point here is to commit to learning schedule and regularly update your skills. Is very important. Then prepare for enhance your interview. So at the end of the day, when you gather all those follow all those steps, and the last part of it is for you to prepare for an interview. And so that means at this point, you need to tailor your resume and have a very good and fantastic cover letter. So I like your transferable skills, certification, and relevant experience that employer want to see. You need to prepare a very good resume that is going to connect your previous experience that's really appeal to your employers or to your interviewers at the end of the day. So practice common IT interview questions. You need to practice a lot of questions related to your own IT part. So scenario-based questions, be ready to explain how you will handle specific technical challenges, behavioral questions, discuss past experience where you'll be demonstrated skills that like problem solving and teamwork. Those are the kind of practical questions they can ask you to describe a kind of project, what you've done in the past. So you must be ready. Leverage your net technical background as well to show how your unique perspectives and skill add value to the IT team because adding a job or working for an organization, they want to see during the interview, they want to say that you have value you want to add because the value you want to add to their company is what they want to pay for you in exchange of money at the end of the day. So landing a job somewhere, they want to employ somebody that can actually add value to them, that can make them better, that can really help them to be more productive at the end of the day. So the action point here is for you to prepare and practice your IT interviews, focusing on how your background will make you a strong candidate. Now, you'll see following all these parts from one to last one, which to the last number 7, where you go for interview and all the rest. Then the thing is that you are on your path to a six-figure IT career. Then transitioning into IT from a non-technical background is achievable definitely if you follow these steps and leverage on your past skills, a kind of recaps or kind of summary now. Gaining certification, networking, gaining experience, and continuous learning and preparing for interview. That is the transition there. These are the salient points and the steps, the right step you can take, leveraging your skills, gaining certification, networking, gaining experience, and continuous learning and preparing for interview will definitely take you to the path of success that will make you to land a six-figure IT career job at the end of the day. So the action now is that you start implementing this strategy today. Take your first step toward a successful and lucrative IT career. Ready to leave. That's the call to action for you. Ready to leave. Start by researching your target role and signing off for a certification course today. And I say success ahead for you. That's just it for this on you landing a seven-figure IT career without a technical background, without a previous knowledge in IT. And I believe this this presentation on this topic, one way or the other, has impacted you. And then before you go, make sure you subscribe to this channel. See you in my next presentation. Thank you. And I will say bye for now. Thank you for your time.
Right, that's a
And
wrap up for today's video. I hope you have picked up some valuable insight and actionable tips in Salesforce ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumb up. If you found it helpful, I'm Asikola Oshirikan and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.